Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a TIFON padlock that was sent to me by Carlos. So I'm currently playing with the locks that Talanpick sent to me. And this is a 50mm or almost 50mm brass padlock. TIFON is a brand of IFAM, which is a Spanish company. I just looked up the website. But the locks that they sell with TIFON on it, at least from the picture on the website, also have IFAM on the body. And so I'm not sure if this is really made, let's say, by IFAM with the brand TIFON, or maybe TIFON was an own company before. I really don't know. So maybe someone can tell me if he knows, or she knows. Yeah, it's a nice brass padlock which works very smooth. Here is the key, 5 pins, and I've picked it before a couple of times. No big deal, very enjoyable picking. Let me zoom in. Alright, 2 is binding, full set, 1, 3, 4, and 5, and it's open. Yeah, not a big deal. 1:45, 1 minute 45 seconds till now on this video. But I'm going to make this video a long video because I will challenge myself to pick this in the other hand. So I try to pick this with my left hand. And I've done this before and it worked somehow, but it wasn't really easy. So let's see if I can repeat it. Okay. I think I will tension it like so. Yeah, now I will tension it like so. Okay. And no, pin 2 is the first binder, a standard pin. If I can get onto it. Yep, 4 sets, so now 1, got it, 3, this is a strange feeling, check 4, got it, and oops, here is 5, and no, 5, maybe 1 has dropped. Yeah, 1 has dropped. On, and it's open. Yep, that was nice. So it's getting better, getting better when you, yeah, of course it's getting better when you practice. Yeah, very interesting experience to pick with the other hand. So my advice or my challenge for you, whenever you have a padlock that picks too easy for you, try to pick it in your other hand. Alright, Carlos, thank you very much for this nice padlock. And yeah, muchas gracias, compañero. Anybody else, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.